Based on some observations and calculations, scientists proposed 4 theories that universe might end. Let's start with Big Rip. The matter of the universe, from galaxies to atoms, and even space-time, are progressively torn apart. However, this expansion is similar for every moment of time. For example, from Monday to Saturday, let the expansion be V. Then from Sunday to Friday, the expansion will also be V. In both the cases, the time period is 6 days. This hypothesis is completely depends on the dark energy in our universe. Dark energy is the energy we cannot see through any equipment. We cannot explain with what it is made of, and just we know it is there. Because even though gravity is present between objects, our universe is expanding in a rapid rate. This concludes that there is some force, powerful than gravity, moving things apart. You can also calculate the time of Big Rip using the equation, where T-Rip is a time of Big Rip, T0 is the present time, omega m is the present density of universe, H0 is Hubble constant, and W is the ratio of dark energy pressure to the dark energy density. Evidences indicates that W is approximately equals to -1, but not exactly. If W is exactly -1, then there is no chance of happening a Big Rip. Here comes the big freeze, the scenario under which the universe will expand continuously and approaches a state where the gradients of pressure, temperature and volume will be zero and no longer be able to perform work. That means everything freezes, no work, no motion. The topology of the universe according to the current data is open or flat. This means the universe will continue expanding forever. Accordingly, with the universe cooling to approach equilibrium at a very low temperature after a very long period of time. Let's know about Big Slurp. Every particle in the universe tries to achieve a stable state with lowest energy as possible. But there are particles which are intended to be in the lowest energy, but they are not. These particles are called Higgs particles. If somehow one of these particles created a quantum tunnel and further reaches its ground state, which might not be good, releases a massive amount of energy which wakes up the remaining Higgs particles, creating a huge bubble, destroying everything in its path. But don't worry, if somehow the bubble is created in our universe, it might take billions of years to reach us. The final one, Big Crunch. Just as the Big Bang started as a cosmological expansion, this theory assumes that the average density of universe will be enough to stop its expansion, and the universe will begin contracting into a dimensionless singularity. This scenario allows the Big Bang to occur immediately after Big Crunch. If this happens repeatedly, it creates an oscillatory universe with infinite sequence of finite universes, each ending with Big Crunch, which also be the Big Bang of next universe. But there's a problem with this theory. It violates second law of thermodynamics, that entropy of a closed system always increases. But here, there are much fluctuations in entropy. And also, current evidences indicates the universe is not closed, but open or flat. In the 4 cases, Big Crunch is most likely not to be happening. But don't worry, the time at which any of these would happen, we would be gone long ago. Thank you for watching another video of Strictly the Science. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button. If you love this video, consider sharing and don't forget to subscribe.